on? Hello? Is this thing on? I think it's on. It's flashing red. I thought it switched to photo mode, but considering it's flashing, I think it's on. We're doing another video by going to Loomies Cafe, because last time I went, it was a very, very nice ride there, don't get me wrong. However, for a lot of the footage it was all crackly and fucked up because I was using some shitty mic. So this time, since I've got a, well, I would say a proper mic, a intercom mic, one that actually works without all the crackling, the snapping and the popping of the audio, I thought we'll go again. I was supposed to go with some friends, but I've got no one to go with, so I'm going alone. Just cleaned the bike, finished my first ever TikTok live. Would you believe it? Finally go live on TikTok. Why that sound like Scouse and TikTok? First time going live on TikTok, and people were sending me gifts. When I say people, one person on 2 different accounts, her main account and her side account. So she got the number 1 gifter spot and the number 2 gifter spot, but it was a very well received first time live for me. I quite enjoyed it. I actually really enjoyed it. It was just nice to have a chat, have some people popping in and stuff. It was chilled out, just me cleaning the bike, chatting shit about bikes. It's exactly what you want, really. I always hit this roundabout as well. My right side always feels ridiculous. It always just feels like it's going to slip out. Here he comes. Dangerous rider. He wants to dart in and out of traffic. I ain't doing that. I don't mind a bit of speed, but I ain't whirring in and out of traffic. This ain't America. What is he on? Like no DT? We'll catch up to him and find out. Norton. Some of those bikes look amazing by Norton, but they're so expensive. I can't see it because it's all overgrown now. And the cows have gone. Oh no, they've been turned into beef. Oh damn it. Those were some fluffy looking fucking cows and they've gone. Oh no, I think they've just moved field into that top one up there. I hope they've just moved field. And before anyone asks, no I'm not vegan, why do I hope that? They're cute cows, you know what I mean? It'd be a shame if they were to be slaughtered and eaten, as much as they taste nice. I like them cows. could hear it from the fucking front. Fucking hell, it's busy tonight. Fuck me. Right. Fucking hell. Squeeze it in here. Stay. Fuck me. Ooh. Ooh. It's getting glide past there. Well, we got talking to some people. It was really nice getting to know them. I did them on Instagram. So hopefully we'll have some rides out at some point. Actually getting ourselves out there. Get to go out a bit more rather than just me on my one. There's a lot of wheelies up there. A whole load of wheelies. Some dude on a 125, fucking hats off to him, man. Wheeling like a pro. Got loads of bugs on my visor. Should have cleaned it. They have a visor cleaning station there. But I thought I'd do like a little review of Loomies Cafe as well. Fucking, the food was lovely. I ordered a chicken wrap and a latte to take out so I could walk around and look at the bikes and stuff after I'd eaten. And it came rapid, the food was fast. They give you a little ticket with your number on it. I think I was 57. And they had, first one that got called was 48. I think I was only waiting like 5 minutes. So they dished the food out pretty quickly and it was lovely. It was really nice food. Fast, friendly service. Parking's a bit shoddy on bike night though. I struggled to find somewhere to park, as you might have seen. Thought that corner was a bit tighter, I'm not gonna lie. there's the cows, look. You can see them now, they've not been slaughtered. Would you look at that? Look at now. Where's bro running from? I feel like I'm on a council estate in Manchester with that cunt. Right, just quickly, because my camera's about to die, I just did a TikTok live at the petrol station, and it was actually loads of fun. So, yeah, follow me on TikTok if you aren't already, and hopefully you'll be able to chat to me live, either at a petrol station or at home. So for those who've seen this who were in that TikTok, you know exactly what I'm talking about.